One of the primary duties of a community association's board is to protect, maintain, and enhance the physical assets of the community. CAI's new reserve studies and funds presents the theory behind the preparation of a reserve study, how to view the reserve study as part of the association's overall budget, the methods for developing a realistic funding plan, and much more.
It's a great tool to give to your board members as far as helping them learn the proper and prudent way to invest funds, how to, as I love to say, cover your assets, and at the same time, giving you up-to-date information.
Over the last couple of years, there's been some significant impacts in regard to reserves based on the collapse of the Champlain Towers high-rise in Florida. So that's what this document is for. And for anybody who's involved in reserve studies, whether it's from the professional perspective of the reserve specialists or professional engineers or architects, or from the volunteer side of board members or managers, if you want a comprehensive look at everything in layman's terms with diagrams and examples of everything, this is the document to look at. And I'd highly suggest that you get a copy and read it.